Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up Evernote widgets on Android. The first thing I'd like you to do is to create an account on Evernote. How do you do that? Now, you can launch in a browser of your choice if you're using your system, right? And locate the search bar of your browser. In the search bar, type evernote.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Evernote. Now, you can also do this using your mobile phone. Once you get into the website, follow through the on-screen prompt to create a new account or to sign in using an existing account. After signing in, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Evernote. Let's hop into today's task: how to set up Evernote widgets on Android. This means for you to get this done, you need to be with your mobile phone. Okay? And it means you must have installed the Evernote application in your mobile phone by using the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. After installing, this is what you're going to do. Now, the widget can be added to your home screen after you install the Evernote app on your Android device. It does not require a separate download. Now, to add a widget to your home screen, this is just what you're going to do. Very easy step. Find an empty space on your home screen and long press the empty space. Once you long press the empty space, you're going to see widgets. Tap widgets, and once you tap widgets, locate the Evernote widget options. Once you do that, press and hold the widget of your choice and drag it to your home screen. That's just going to be it. And once you drag it to your home screen, you're going to see the Evernote widget right there in your home screen. Now, if you want to customize the widget, tap the Evernote icon in the upper right corner. For the Actions widget, you can select one or more actions such as camera, simple notes, audio, or something else. And for the List widget, you can select notes, tags, or shortcut. That's if you just want to freestyle and customize the widget. That's pretty much what you need. So find an empty space on your home screen, long press it, tap widgets, locate the Evernote widget option, press and hold the widget of your choice, and drag it to your home screen. That way, Evernote widget is going to be added to your home screen. Sweet and simple. Now, I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.